what does Mama Bear, Papa Bear, and Baby Bears have to do with Amazon FBA? We're going to find that out right now. This was actually a question I got from one of the FBA Alpha's Facebook group members that reached out and tagged me in a post and was like, hey, Rhett, I am not really sure on the whole variation thing, parent listing, child variations, and how does that all work when creating a listing, and how can I do that? Well, I got the answer, and how can I do that exactly? So we're going to hop right on in here and get to this real quick. I'm not going to make a 15-minute video on how to make a child and parent listing because it's pretty simple, because it's not as hard as it looks. It seems overwhelming, but we got it. It's no problem. So basically, there is the parent listing and then the children listing. So we got the Mama Bear and the Papa Bear. Terrible example, but I thought it was funny, so I can laugh at myself, right? Right. So basically, you've got the parent listing, which is up here. And the parent listing, it is not a product that is being sold. So it's a very generic name. So if you're selling a blender, it's just Blender X2000. And then within that's the parent listing. And then the child listings are Blender X2000 red, blue, yellow, and then extra large and small. So if you look at that, there's all kinds of different child listings, and those each have their own UPC and ASIN to go along with them. So understanding that, we're going to hop in here to the computer, and I'm going to show you how to create that. So to start off, we have to create each listing individually. We have to create the parent listing, and then we also have to create the child listings as well. So we're just going to come in here and add a new product like normal. And we're going to do add a product not sold on Amazon. And we're just going to come down here and do our category. So for this example, we're just going to do lemon press. And we're going to select that one. Obviously pick the most relevant category. And product name. So this is the parent listing. So with this right here, we're going to do everything the same, but we're not going to fill out the product ID or the UPC on this one. So we're doing the lemon press. We're going to do lemon press Master X Mark II, because we've got a extremely advanced lemon press, and then we'll do press masters with a Z because we're super cool. So now we're going to leave that blank because this is the parent listing right here, this part, and then we're going to fire over here to variations. And here's where you select what your theme is. So if the variations are just colors, or it's colors and size, or it's just size, whatever it may be, you need to just pick, obviously, what your theme is. So come in here, click color name. That's what we're going to do. We're just going to have different colors of our Mark II Pressmaster X version. So we're just going to have a red, we're going to have a green, and we're just going to have a yellow. So we'll come down here and click Add Variations. And as you can see right here, red, green, and yellow has popped up. So now we're going to come in here and we're going to we're going to select the product ID, and this will be UPC, because again, with the variations, we have each individual UPC codes for each variation. So we're going to select UPC for all of these. And this is where we would put our UPC codes. Item condition. Typically, we're just going to be doing a new, just a new version. I mean, unless you have a rare vintage collectible lemon press from, I don't know, you would put that. But typically, it's new, so we're just going to put new on all these. And I mean, that's pretty self-explanatory. And then again, we'll fill out the standard price and the quantity. And the color map, I mean, this is just going with the color. So we clicked the theme to be color, so it already knows that we're doing colors. So we come in here and just click whatever color we got here. I mean, do we have, where's red? There's red and green and yellow. And I guess if you have a super crazy color, just put something close enough to that. We'd have to do a condition note. And sales price, remember guys, in order to prevent price restrictions, as in later down the road when it's Christmas time and you want to double your price, you might get suppressed by Amazon because they're like, oh man, that's too much of a price raise. So you need to put your sales price as much as you could possibly see selling your lemon press. So lemon press, I'm going to put, just for why not, put like $49.99, because I mean, I'm never going to sell it for that much, but if I want to, if for some reason, I don't know, whatever it may be, it makes it so Amazon cannot suppress you down the road because you started at this price and you're not raising above that price. Because when you start at like $19.99 and you raise above that to $39.99, they're like, oh boy, I don't want that. Kill it, suppress it, you're in trouble. So do it like that, start date, end date, and then we're just going to save and finish. And that's simply what it is, guys, because that's creating here, and then we'll do our offer, make sure we're fulfilled by Amazon. And that's basically what this is doing, is right here under the vital info is where we're putting our parent listing, where we are not putting an ASIN in there. And then we're coming here to variations, where we put the variations and the information in there. So it'll generate the child listing. And when you do manage inventory, it'll have a little caret, and you can click that and see the different variations. So guys, that's a quick and easy one, I hope, on how to make a variation, how to make a parent listing, how to make child variations in order to get your products rolling. So remember guys, I made this one specifically for one of my alpha members inside the public Facebook group. If you guys want to become a part of the family, get some close help, and really start growing your business, I'm in there every day. Everyone's in there asking questions. I'm helping out. Other people are helping out. There's tons of growth happening in there, guys. And if you want to grow your business, get better, have some questions, even have a one question for me, fire it off to me. I'd love to help. Join the group and come see what it's about. So guys, until next time, keep hustling.